Going to see a little front come through tomorrow that's really just going to bring us strong winds. That's about it. Maybe some cooler temperatures. We did top off right at 70 degrees earlier in Salinas. Now we have a few clouds coming through, a little bit of that west-northwest breeze, and we're going to notice that more so tomorrow. Plus, in some of our coastal areas, even some of our inland communities, the marine layer returning, making it a little cooler to start tomorrow, and then we'll start to see the sun coming out probably by tomorrow afternoon, but it's the wind that's really going to play a role. Take a look at these temperatures right now. 66 Hollister, 68 in King City and Gilroy, still some 70s around Santa Cruz, but 50s where those clouds, as we just saw, have settled in around Monterey into our coastal areas and the southern parts of the bay, thanks to that north breeze. And that's what we're going to see tonight, tomorrow, Thursday. Looks like Wednesday, Thursday are going to be the windiest days, so take a look at your potential wind gusts. Now, we don't have any advisories on land, but we do have some conditions when it comes to winds on the waters, small craft advisory, gale warning out in the open ocean, so not a good day to take those crafts, small or large, out into the ocean on Wednesday. Look at those gusts near the coast, 25-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Now keep in mind, criteria for that to be a wind advisory or anything where it looks like it's going to be a little more dangerous is closer to 40-mile-per-hour gusts. I don't quite think we're going to get there, but maybe in the 30 range, and that's going to be noticeable tomorrow and Thursday. Tonight, thanks to a little bit of cloud cover and that breeze, that'll keep us a little warmer tonight in the 50s, maybe some 60s near the coast, but some of our cooler areas, our valleys to start, upper 40s. By the afternoon, mid 60s. Now areas like King City today got in the mid 70s, so you are going to notice a difference, whether it's from those clouds to start or that breeze in the afternoon, keeping it only in those mid 60s. Could get close to 70 for some like Soledad, but I think we're going to hold off until the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend to see the return of widespread 70s. So we still have some cooler air. You can see that some of those higher peaks, South Monterey County in the 60s, but check out this warm up. Carmel Valley, okay, a little chilly tomorrow. Today you got up to 69 degrees. Tomorrow, I don't think so. You're going to be much cooler into the 60s, but look at that. By the weekend, 70s. Unfortunately, looks dry. That's going to continue as we go into your entire 8-day forecast, likely into the middle of March. But let's just soak up the sunshine and enjoy it. And next week, we get to enjoy that extra hour of sunshine in the evening hours as we turn our clocks forward. Yes, we'll lose an hour of sleep Sunday morning and Monday, and you're going to feel that next week, but at least we'll have sunshine and temperatures will be warm, clear skies, and you will be seeing lots of sun. Now we do see those winds, like I mentioned, Wednesday, Thursday, that is going to keep us cooler. So even though you'll see sun in the afternoon, don't let the sun fool you. The wind may catch you off guard, and we're going to be about 10 degrees cooler because of this cold front coming through.
But a little patience and we'll see the warm up by the weekend.
We'll be right back to complaining about 70s and 80s and sun. And
exactly.
Like,
I'll be like, oh my gosh, it's too hot. All right, thanks, Gina. Coming up.